Hello and welcome back to Today's Kitchen. Today I'm back with a delicious and healthy fish recipe that you can have with anything of choice. I'm having mine with rice today, but you can have it with acheke, you can have it with bread, you can have it with salad, you can have it with just anything of choice. Okay, if you're new to my channel, I'm saying a very warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to be notified each time I upload a new video. Today my shout outs go to my viewers in the UK, Salifu, Hadi, Njeme, Angone, Sibo, Small, okay, Nene, Satang, all of my viewers in the UK out there, like the wall of say Sumalime Jum. Okay, I appreciate you all, and my male viewers in the Gambia, Famara, Fodejo, Musa Sawane, Musa Forex. You guys have been amazing, always sharing my videos, always watching them, and always appreciating my work. I appreciate you all. Thank you very much for being there. So before we waste any more time, let's get into it. So the ingredients we have are one whole fish that I incisioned like this for the marinade to easily go in, okay, and we have the seasonings to go with our fish are all base seasoning, adobo seasoning, garlic powder, okay. So our fish is going to be marinated twice. So the first marinade we're going to be using, that is all base seasoning and adobo seasoning with the garlic powder first, okay, and then we will fry the fish for some minutes just to get that golden color in it, and then we will marinate it again and throw it in the oven to broil for just a few minutes. Okay, so for that we're gonna need black pepper, vinegar, and mustard with some maggi seasoning. Okay, so we have also some onions that I diced. This is one whole onion and some bell peppers. You can use different colors of bell peppers if you like. We have some tomatoes. You can also have cucumber. I don't have one in my fridge right now, that's why I'm just using tomatoes, but you can add in cucumbers as well. We have 1.5 whole lemon that I squeezed in here, and over here we have some habanero pepper that I blended and make pepper sauce out of. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to marinate our fish. So I take my adobo seasoning, okay, rub it all over the chicken, okay, make sure the incisions are open, okay, for the marinade to go in very well. All right, so the adobo is all in. Now goes the all-base seasoning and the garlic powder. Rub it on both sides of the fish, including the head and the inside. With your hands, lady, okay, rub the marinade all over the fish and inside as well. Turn it around. Do the same on the other side as well. And let this sit on the side for at least 15-20 minutes, okay? You can leave it longer than that, but 15 minutes, 20 minutes is enough to marinate fish, okay? That is our first marinade, all right? So as our fish is marinating, the next thing is to season our onions. And we are going to add in the squeezed lemon juice, okay? Some maggi seasoning. You can use salt if you don't have that. All right. Some black pepper. Some of the pepper. Okay. Heat. It's fish, so I like it spicy. Okay. If you don't like spice, you can omit that. All right. That's all in. Mix it up. Just to see if everything is okay. I'm adding in the tomatoes later. Right now I just want the onions to die out a little bit. Okay, if I put the tomatoes now, it's going to be watery, so I'm going to put that when I'm about to eat. All right, so taste to see that everything is okay. Perfect. Set that aside, and that's done. So after a good 15 minutes of marinating our fish, our pot is set. Add in some oil to fry the fish. So use a non-stick pan if possible. So we're gonna let that heat up and fry the fish a little bit. And for the second marinade, I have a separate pot. Onto that, add some mustard, some black pepper, some garlic powder, some maggi seasoning, or salt, just a little bit of everything. Remember, the fish was marinated before. Okay, the vinegar goes in, and a little bit of lemon juice. Mix that all up. That is set. So we're going to apply this to our fish after frying and then put it in the oven to broil. Our oil is hot, so in goes our fish. As the fish is frying, I'm going to set my oven to 400 degrees, okay, to preheat, and that way we're going to broil our fish. So our fish is all set. Now we're going to apply the second marinade to it. Apply it on every part of the fish. Put it in the incisions as well. Do the same on the other side. Don't forget the inside of the fish, the gut of the fish as well. So that is all set. Now onto our oven tray, and in the oven it goes at 400 degrees, and we're using the broiler option just to get it broiled a little bit. Okay, our fish is all set. Take it out of the oven. See, so juicy and delicious. There you have it. Our fish is all set. Now I just add my tomatoes onto the onions, mix it up, and then there you have it. All the juices. So try it out. Let me know in the comment section below how it turned out and what city you're watching from. Bon appetit, and see you next Saturday. Bye bye.